How to flip an image in Photoshop. In the Layers panel, click on the layer that contains your image. If it's locked, double-click the layer to unlock it. Go to the menu bar and select Edit. For a horizontal flip, choose Transform, then Flip Horizontal. For a vertical flip, choose Transform, then Flip Vertical. Now, let's try to create an interesting composition by flipping a specific part of an image within a scene. To do that, use the lasso tool or any other selection tool to outline the specific part of the image you want to flip. Make sure the selection is as close to the desired area as possible. Once you have your area selected, right-click within the selection and choose Layer via Copy to create a new layer with just that selection. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl-J to duplicate the selected area into a new layer. With the new layer selected, go to Edit, Transform, then Flip Horizontal for a horizontal flip, or Flip Vertical for a vertical flip. Use the Move tool to adjust the position of the flipped area if necessary. To blend the flipped area with the rest of the image, you may need to refine the edges. Add a layer mask to the flipped layer by clicking the Add Layer Mask icon at the bottom of the Layers panel. Use a soft brush with the Brush tool on the layer mask to blend the edges. After making sure everything looks good, you can now save your work. Now that you know how to flip an image, apply the same method to flip a single layer or multiple layers simultaneously. This will seamlessly flip all the selected layers.